On this very last slide, we are going to review asking and answering questions. Good readers monitor their comprehension. Do you remember what that means? Monitor means to watch, to keep up with, to make sure that you are paying attention to your comprehension, which means your understanding, by asking and answering questions. So in these boxes, you are going to type your answer in your own words. If you need help with the answers, you can go back to slide 5. Number 1, write their questions. So what are write their questions? You don't have to give me an example. Just tell me the definition. What is a write their question? And what are inferential questions? Again, if you forget, you can go back to slide 5 to refresh your memory.